Now in this video we're going to see how to deal with, just migrate to matrix, with building information management. I have to create, say, new and .bim, and the first page will open where I can put the parameters of the building, 20 with eve height, base spacing. As you can see, example RF is a rigid frame. I can put a BC, wind column spacing, bracing locations, and everything here is self-explanatory where you can see it. And then you can go to crane, put your crane data as titled. Mezzanine, you can put your mezzanine, example 1, 2, and I have a mezzanine here. Now I'm going to remove it. Move this one, the first cell. So I'll go to the first page, to the second page, which is edit. I will generate automatically the frames. Now the building frames has been created, are in process, excuse me. Purlin, girts, bracing, and wind columns. So I can go to this option and say frame auto design. So now the auto design is under process. It might take a minute. It's designed already. I'll go to the purlins, auto design, sidewall girts are all now auto designed, wind columns, are auto designed, generate the bracing. Now the bracing is under design. And it is automatically designed. So now the edit. So in front of every option, for example the frames, I press on edit, and the text file of that frame created and auto designed by matrix is now clear in front of us, including the connections and the pin base. So I can see what has been generated on AutoCAD. Of course, if I want to edit anything here, I can edit it. So example, member CL, I'm gonna call it CL, from node 1 to node 2, tapered. I have to, one of these lines must be rest, and another section 250 by 4, 250, 150 by 6, 150 by 8, and the length of this one will be calculated as 1.674 millimeters. And this is a property A of the member. CB0, it means to be calculated by matrix. Beta angle is equal to 0. LZ, which is KZ by LZ, the effective length LZ of that member. LY top and LY bottom. Now that's my frame after being designed. Render it, and you can see it drawn in 3D. The same thing for all. I can select every frame I want, each frame I want. For example, number 4, I can see the design of it, the load cases, you can see the title and then the values, combinations, connections. So everything here is editable only by changing the text file simply. Escape to exit. Purlins, same thing. Bracing, which is now you can see on 3D. Because it has been modeled by Matrix and designed in 3D. Okay, so I can see it now in 2D, and this is after rotation. This is my structure in 3D, and the applied forces from the wind and the proper design. I can go to accessories. So now this is it contains a database where I can add my accessories here in this list. Meanwhile, I can generate the anchor bolt plan. So that's my anchor bolt plan with the axis. You can see the details is drawn to scale with all the dimensions necessary according to the data I have put in the first page. And this is the anchor bolt A, anchor bolt B. After that I will go to BOM, and then I will create my BOM. Still not completed, still working with Excel. Still working. Once the progress bar is completed, this means that the BOM has been created. My computer is a little bit slow, so definitely on your computers the link will be much more faster. Still printing. See accessories, bracing 1, bracing 2, crane, no cranes, it's all zeros, mezzanine deck 0, end gird, frames 2 to 9, 3, 8, frame 4, 5, 6, 7, grid lines. You can see HR, type of the material, plate 4 millimeter, and this shall be the weight, area, length, and the number of bolts and the diameter of bolts, if any. Same as here, connection bolt. wind columns. Should be the end of the line. And my BOM has been created, as you can see, with all the necessary information and material. Now I'm gonna close it, don't save. Let's see how I can deal with mezzanine. First I need to go to the first page to input the type of the sheeting, because I did not enter it, so that's why it came to 0. And the decking type, let's say 0.6 galvanized. I'm gonna enter a crane from square 1 to square 1, or I can say to 4. So we can see square 1, 2, 3, 4 has been selected. Mezzanine height is, let's say, 2.5 meters. Dead load 2 kilonewton, live load, collateral load 0.15, and live load is 4 kilonewton. Joist spacing 1.25. So I'll go there. I have to regenerate the frames again. If you go to edit, let's select frame number 3 and view the structure. This mesh structure created with the mezzanine beams and the mezzanine columns, because I have RF, so automatically Matrix has generated these 3 mezzanine columns, and that's a load that I have selected. And the rest now is becoming like what we have done before: create anchor bolt plan and create the BOM. So I need to save it, exit, save, and my file has been saved. In case I want to return to the BIM, I have to go to box building, and this file, which has an extension .bim. As you can see here, .bim is saved. Thank you for watching.